Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you a really simple way in which you can make money online, even if you're broke, if you're totally beginner. In this video I'm going to show you how you can start making money right now. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I usually talk about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. If this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can start making money even if you're broke, if you're totally beginner, and there is no investment required. So first of all, we need to go to a platform that it's called YouTube. If you're already on that platform, well, put a check mark because this is the very first thing that we need. Okay, chances are that you might be thinking like, okay, I'm gonna leave this video because this is definitely not for me. I don't want to be in front of camera. I don't want to be recording videos. Hold on, don't worry. You don't need to, to be recording videos. You don't need to be in front of camera. Okay, cool. Let's continue. Now, well, you're on YouTube, right? You need to have a YouTube channel, but it's a specific type of YouTube channel. It's gonna be all about relaxing and meditation. Okay? Wait a moment. I'm gonna show you step by step everything that you need to get done if you really want to make money with this. Also, stay to the entire video because I'm going to show you a way in which you can make even more money. It's going to be at the end of the video. Okay, the very first way in which you can make money, actually, it's going to be with Google Ads or Google AdSense, the ads that are displayed whenever you're about to watch a video. So chances are that at the beginning of the video, you watch another video that you decide to skip. That's an ad. Okay, if you want to get paid with Google AdSense, you will need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4 hours watch time. Wait a moment. I know you're getting started. Don't worry. I'm going to show you how you can start making money right now, even if you don't have any subscribers. Okay, cool. So these are really simple videos. Okay, as you can see, this is a 1 hour video, 10-hour video, 5-minute video, 6-minute video. But the coolest thing about these videos is that no one is really watching them. They are listening, okay? Because this is all about getting relaxed music. So the actual video, it's all about images. So no one really is going to be watching it. I'm pretty sure that you already experienced this. The chances are that you're doing something else and you put play on a YouTube video, but you're not watching it. You're just listening to what the people are saying. So it's exactly the same concept. Okay, cool. Let me show you an example of a video because I want you to understand. Okay, this is an example of a video. Let me play it just for a moment. Okay, well, it's all about images, relaxing, cool things. Okay, cool. How much money you can make with this strategy? Okay, this is actual Social Blade. Social Blade is a tool in which we can put the username of the YouTube channel, and it's gonna let us know like how well this channel is ranking, but we want how many they are making. So we're gonna see here where it says estimate monthly earning. So they're making between $14,000 to $226,000 per month. Okay, this is not per year, per month. So in my experience, on average, people are actually making something in the middle. So chances are that they're making $100,000 per month, not per year, but per month. Okay, so you're getting the idea right now. You can make a lot of money with this strategy. Okay, now that you're all excited and you're like, okay, sorry, excuse me. Now they're all excited and you're like, okay, I want to do this, right? Cool. But where do I get the images? How do I get the music? Okay, let me show you step by step how you're going to do it. Okay, first we need to take care of the images. So we're gonna make sure that we're not gonna have any kind of complaint, because YouTube is really strict right now on the images and music that you can put. Okay, if you put an image or a music that is have a copyright, you're not gonna get monetized. Okay, so we're gonna go to a website that's called Unsplash. You can Google it or you can type unsplash.com. And as you can see, they have different categories: nature, wallpaper, texture and patterns, people, business and work, travel, technology, animals, interior, architecture, food and drinks, and others. So these are some images. Okay, you can use these images on your video. Okay, something like this landscaping. And it's actually free to join, so you don't need to pay anything. Right? You're gonna click on the image that you enjoy and you are gonna download. You can download as many images as you want. So now we have the images that we're gonna use in our video. Now, what about the music? Okay, there is something really cool that it's called the YouTube audio library. You can type it on actual Google, or you can find it on your YouTube studio. These are free music that you can download and you can use on your project. So here's download, browse and download free musics and projects. They do have sound effects and other cool things. So you are not gonna have any kind of problem, because what YouTube wants you to do is they want you to use this music on your videos. So here you have the genre, right? So it's gonna be ambient. Okay, it can be classical. It can be maybe a little bit jazz and blues, so you're getting on it. Or you can actually do the search according to the mood. Like, okay, I want it to be calm. I want it to be inspirational. I want it to be romantic. I don't know if you want it to be sad, but okay. So you're going to download it here, and now you have the music that you're going to use on your videos, right? Okay, how do we put everything together, right? Don't worry, there is actually 2 recommendations that I'm going to share with you. The first one, it's called Castillo. Okay, you can Google it or you can type castillo.com. This is a video tool and it's online, so you don't need to download anything. You can do the slideshows, you can create a video, you can have it done. This is the very first tool. The second one that I'm going to suggest you, it's called OpenShot. Okay, OpenShot is an open source video editing software. That means that it's 100% free, and you can use it on Linux, you can use it on iOS, and you can use it on Windows. So there is no excuse. It doesn't matter which operation system you're using, you can go ahead and you can use it. Okay, OpenShot, you can go ahead and do it on openshot.com. Okay, so now you have the video. You need to upload it to YouTube, right? Okay, I want to really help you. I want to make sure that you're going to have your video well done and optimized. So please go ahead and click the link below. I'm going to give you, right? Or I'm going to suggest you to use a Google Chrome extension that is called TubeBuddy. Okay, this is the Google Chrome extension that I use to optimize my videos. It's going to look like this. It's free. You can click the link below, so you are gonna see like how well this video is optimized, which are the tags, like if they do have a pinned comment, if someone like it on Facebook, if someone share it on Twitter, so you can have all the parameters to make sure that everything is well done. So click the link below. The extension is called vidIQ. Okay, the second way in which you can actually make money online, this is if you want, you can have your own website because you have your music, so you can sell people the music, right? If you don't know how to create a website, I'm also gonna leave a link below to my number 1 recommendation, which is Builderall. Builderall is an all-in-one marketing solution, and you can actually create your websites. You can actually create a store if you want to have a store and start, selling these really cool videos and music, right? So you can give it a try. It's just $1 for the very first month, and you can try Builderall. It's really easy and really simple to build websites. Okay. Also, you can do affiliate marketing. Okay, you can do affiliate marketing. You can go to clickbank.com. okay, and create your affiliate account, okay, and you are gonna be suggesting people to download this, not to download, but to purchase a product that is gonna help them. Chances are that people are listening to this because they want to relax, they want to meditate. So there are different categories. For example, you can click here where it says meditation, right? And you're gonna land on this page, and as you can see, you can get paid $16 per sale, $200 per sale, $44 per sale, and so on. So at the very top of the description, you're gonna type something like, hey, do you want to learn how to meditate? Click the link below. My number one recommendation to meditate while you're relaxing, click the link below. So people are gonna be like, okay, this is really cool music, I'm relaxing, it's getting cool, it's getting done, okay, I'm gonna buy it, okay. And you can keep doing this even if you are not monetizing. So if you don't have 1,000 subscribers, you don't have the 4,000 watch time, you can start doing this, and you can keep doing that in the future, so you can have multiple streams of income with just one work. The same if you go with sleep and dreams and spiritual health. Chances are that people are trying to get relaxed before they go to sleep, so they are listening to this music. So you can put a tag or something like, hey, are you having issues or trouble but you're trying to go ahead and sleep? Click the link. This is my recommendation, right? I'm pretty sure this is going to help, blah blah blah, right? So these are ways in which you can actually monetize your effort. So again, click the link below so you can click and download TubeBuddy. If you want to test Builderall, it's going to be $1. I'm going to leave a link below as well. And last but not the least, this is a way in which you can actually make money online. Okay, you need to put the effort and the hours at the beginning, right? Because you need to, to put the images, to put the music. But if you want to know how you can get serious, while you're making money online, I'm gonna leave a link below. That's gonna be my very first link in the description. It's gonna be my number one recommendation to make money online, making passive income even while you sleep, while you travel, while you're enjoying life. I'm gonna leave a link below. Okay, that's gonna be the very first link in the description. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. This is it for this video. I see you on the next video.